Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Outlook and selecting the specific folder you want to change, Inbox or any custom folder. Once done, go straight to the View tab on the ribbon. This exposes layout controls and the Change View menu. Click Change View to pick a predefined layout or choose View Settings to open detailed options. You do this now so you can modify only the chosen folder without affecting others, making small adjustments that you can test immediately. Next, customize layout elements to control how messages appear. Move the reading pane to right, bottom, or turn it off. Set message preview to 0-3 lines for scanning. Then open View Settings and choose columns to add, remove, or reorder fields like from, subject, and received. Use Sort to set primary sort order, Group By to cluster messages by sender or date, and conditional formatting to highlight important mail. These steps let you tailor both appearance and information. Finalize by saving and deploying the view. Choose Change View, then save current view, name it, and use Manage Views to apply it across folders. If you need to copy settings, select Apply View on each target folder. Make sure to test sorting and grouping with a few messages so nothing looks off. If something goes wrong, missing columns, or weird grouping, use View Settings and click Reset View to restore defaults. That quick reset fixes most display problems without losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.